The CIMB got hacked over the weekend? So, over the weekend, several Facebook users has posted on their Facebook that their CIMB account got hacked. One of the users said that he never even have a PayPal account, and suddenly a PayPal account was created and his debit card from CIMB started deducting money from it. Some of them reported a loss of up to 1,500 ringgit. CIMB also suddenly reintroduced Google Recaptcha. You know the thing that you have to click the pictures to verify that you're a human being? Yup, that's the function of Google Recaptcha, to verify that you're a human being and it's not a spam or a bot trying to access into the account. There was also a video that circulated on the internet where a guy accessed into his CIMB Clicks account with a wrong password. You see, for CIMB Clicks account, there's actually a limitation of password of up to 8 characters, but this guy typed in 12 characters and he managed to access into the account. But it's worthy to take note that the first 8 characters that you key in for the password are the correct password. Only the remaining 4 are created. According to CIMB, this is something normal. Well, I'm not an IT security expert, so I don't know, I can't comment on that. Anyway, CIMB has also issued an official statement to their users to state that their system remains secure. Actually, to hack a bank, it's extremely difficult. Banks have spent millions of dollars to build a cybersecurity infrastructure, and that will do whatever they can to keep your account safe and their system safe. However, remember this, although it's very hard to hack a bank, it is not that hard to hack your system. So, here are 3 common but essential tips for you to keep yourself safe. Firstly, split your money into different bank accounts. I personally am a customer of more than 3 different banks. Why? Because just in case if something happened to one bank, I still have other bank accounts there. Second, change your password regularly. It's a common knowledge, but many people don't do it. Why? Because whatever that you key in into a digital device, it is always being stored there. You may have actually used a public computer to log into your account. You may have used your friend's device to log into your account. You may not remember. So it is recommended that you change your password every 3 months once, because sometimes it is not your computer that get hacked, but someone else's or a public system that got hacked. Finally, do not use the same password for all your online banking account. I know it is very common again, but I know some people for convenience sake would just use the exact same password for all their online banking accounts so that it's easy to remember. That is not a very good move. It's better to be safe than sorry. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope these 3 tips will help to keep yourself safe online. Now, I'm just wondering how many of you guys who are watching this video actually got your account hacked before? If you have, please leave a comment below to tell us your experience. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.